Hi! In front of me is Cubot R19, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download in order to continue. Now go into Devices Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then scroll down, select select Default Apps over here, and if you wish to change, for example, your browser app, you need to select Browser App section and click on the preferable browser, like Opera. Now when I go back, as you can see, my browser app, which means my default app, has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!